Adhesion failures often start at the surface before production even begins. But most manufacturers don't realize how much surface quality impacts reliability, warranty risk, and performance. That's where maturity models come in. They help organizations benchmark their current state, align teams, and chart a clear path forward. The Surface Intelligence Maturity Model helps you evaluate how well your organization controls surface quality and where you can improve. Here's an overview of the 5 stages of the Surface Intelligence Maturity Model. Your maturity stage is defined by 3 dimensions. People, the ones involved in the activity. Process, the methods and procedures you follow. And technology, the tools you use to evaluate and control it. Together, these 3 factors, people, process, and technology, determine your organization's current capabilities and reveal opportunities to become more competitive. Stage 1. There's no internal surface measurement or visibility. Decisions rely on technical data sheets, and surface quality is not part of ongoing operations. Stage 2. Surface testing occurs in lab settings, but not in production. This limits the ability to detect variation caused by environmental or compliance changes. Stage 3 introduces surface energy measurements at critical control points in production. Operators know when variation occurs, but data and insights remain localized. At Stage 4, surface energy measurements become a key performance indicator, a KPI, used across lines, plants, and suppliers. Surface quality becomes a controlled and repeatable process. In Stage 5, surface intelligence powers predictive models, statistical analysis, and supplier qualification strategies, enabling smarter decisions across design, production, and the supply chain. And this is just the beginning. Explore your stage in the model and see how far you can go. To learn more, download our ebook or contact us to discover where your organization stands today.